PET stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all of that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Just observing WAG exclamation mark group, or just WAG group. This thing has gone up 20%. Just observing that this is how my previous chart looked like. Now, to make things simple and clean, it's a heck of a bearish chart, but it has gone up 20%. I mean, for context, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips. And by the way, I have documented everything. But like in general, PET, definitely a bearish market. What I'm going to do is just come here. When I say bearish market, I mean, this is just like an overall theme. It's not that I'm like going to start shorting or whatnot. And I'm also saying like I'm very open to this bullish side as well. But like if I start seeing these double breaks, then and only then I'll take things short. Other than that, everything else is just pure noise. So that's how PET looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.